अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह जी। मेरा नाम मंसूर वाहिद है जी। हम कहने की ऑन द सेकंड जनरेशन जो हमारी कंपनी मेडिकल डिवाइसेस है उसमें हम मेंबर ऑफ द सेकंड जनरेशन। हम बेसिकली ये कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई थी बिफोर पार्टीशन। And since then, it's grown into one of the say good reputable companies in medical manufacturing and medical products. And we do a different product line, not जो सारी दूसरे लोग करते हैं. तो eventually, gradually expansion के साथ and जो requirements जो international requirements are regarding green energy and the new laws उसके मुताबिक देखते हुए I think we decided 2 साल पहले कि we should go for this solar energy. Main reason, one of the main reasons was ये जो costs इनकी जो factor है energy costs are not मतलब कि एक जगह पर रुकनी नहीं, every 15 days मतलब something different. So we have to for the last 1 year just to stay competitive, we have to revise our costing, we have to revise our pricing and everything based on our vendor procurements and everything we have to do on a monthly basis. This is going to maybe help us in a long-term stability in sort of an input cost to हमारी काफी help करेगा. And let's hope. It's just we just started. We just it's only the 4th day that it's online now. Or once I think the main benefits will be when we will be going in for this when we will start contributing to the national grid के ऊपर जब हमारी जब जानी शुरू होगी तो then I think maximum benefits will be there. Alhamdulillah, we've been working with this company Excel Energies. I think पिछले साल उनके साथ contract हुआ था, and I think everything is went smoothly, no hiccups. And मेरे ख्याल में I was surprised कि जितनी जल्दी इन लोगों ने ये सारा सेटअप कर दिया and they have made it functional. I was surprised to hear कि आज ही they wanted to hand over the project to us.
This is PV diesel controller जो कि हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं जीरो एक्सपोर्ट फीचर के लिए और जनरेटर्स के लिए रिवर्स प्रोटेक्शन का फीचर अनेबल करने के लिए. ये डिवाइस काम इस तरह करती है कि जो आपका मिनिमम फेज होता है उसको रेफरेंस बना के ये सोलर की प्रोडक्शन को करवाती है मैक्सिमम.
It's been a good communicating with them. It's a highly professional team and very cooperative. And we look forward to working with them long term in other projects as well. And I think I have in private sector काफी कुछ और भी किए हुए project, लेकिन I think I haven't seen any issues with them. So I would recommend कि इनके साथ आप लोग भी जो भी कुछ if you want to go for this green energy systems, and I would recommend that as well क्योंकि ज़रूरत है, वक्त की ज़रूरत है. तो I would recommend this company, Excel Engineering. Highly recommend.